welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a little different video for you guys. So this is like my singly twist hairstyle. I just got this. I'm so in love with it, and I just got these installed yesterday, and these are really cute, you guys. This is my first time getting this done to my hair, having these in my head and stuff. And don't y'all like it? Isn't this cute? This is really cute, y'all. This is so cute. And this is 18-inch twisty things. Some people call it singly twist, some people call it crochets, cornrows, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm liking it. I just gotta get used to how they are and stuff. And I do got a pin to the back, and then I got these little clips. Then I got it tied in the back. It actually comes all right here, but I got the back tied up, and then the rest of it is down. So sorry for the bad lighting. I just wanted to film this really quick. So I'm going to be showing you guys some cute styles that you can do. You can do these with box braids too, like these. These are kind of similar to box braids. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can style your hairs. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into this video. So the first style is this one. It's just pinned to the back. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just like a half up and half down. So what I did is, let me just take it all down real quick. Ooh, that feels so much better. Don't y'all ever like your head, like some people might think these are in tight. You get up close, they might look like they tight, but they not. But everybody know when you first get your hair done or braided or whatever you get done to your hair, you know that it hurts, especially if you getting like a sew-in or whatever you getting done. So my natural hair is braided underneath these, so my head do hurt a little bit, but it's not as bad as it did when I first got it done. So I'm just gonna, the first style, let me move y'all up. The first style I'm going to be, I want to make sure y'all can see. So the first style I'm going to be doing is pinning it half up, half down. So what I'm doing, sorry if I'm not looking right at y'all. So what I'm doing is I'm taking like half of this side, and I'm taking like half of this side. Oh, let me see. Did I do it like this? Okay, yeah. So I'm taking like half and half, and then I'm pinning it up with a hair tie. So you is going to need a hair tie. And rubber bands probably won't work. It just depends on how thick your braids or your twist are. Whew. And yeah, let me fix that. So yeah, I just pinned it up, and yeah, and then the rest of it is down, and then I just brought the rest to the front, and the back is just pinned up. I don't know why my hair is right here. Okay, and the rest is just pinned, tied up, and the rest is down. So it looks like this. So this is the first style. Okay, the next one is where I'm going to have it like in a bun, but I'm not going to have all of it in a bun. So let's see if we could do this, because I did it the first day I got it done. We going to leave some of this. Let me just see how we going to do this. Or should I add more hair? Oh, does that ain't a lot? Or you could do it like this. This is another cute little style too. But you could do it better. Like, I probably wouldn't wear it like my hair like this. Like, I would take time doing it. And then this can be like a half bun where some of the hair, and then you can just tie it around or whatever you want to do. So half of it is to the side, and then the other half is pinned up. You can do it like that. So this is what this one looks like. Like this. I like this hair right on me. So this is the second style. Okay, so this is the next style, and what I did is I had to like get off the camera for a minute. But this is weird looking to me. But you can do any style, whatever you like to do. I'm making it up as we go. So I just did two little poof balls, kind of, whatever you want to call them, to the side. I know they're uneven, but if you really want to take time and do it, you know, even them out, whatever you want to do to your braids or twists or whatever. But what I did is I just tied both of them into like little puff balls, and then I left the front down, then left some down in the back. I know that might not look right, but so yeah, I just did it like that. And then yeah. Okay, y'all, this is the next one. This looks so good. Okay, this is the next one. What I did is I braided both sides and then I put like them hair ties at the bottom. These look like two big. Y'all ever seen the Cabbage Patch Kids? They look like the Cabbage Patch Kids. You know how they be having their, I think their hair like yarn. It'd be yarn. This is what this look like. But if you have box braids, and I don't know if that would look right because the box braids are already braided. See, I got one falling apart. Gotta fix that. But yeah, I can't really think of any more styles. But let me know in the comment section below how you guys style your box braids, singly twists, crochet, whatever. How do y'all style yours? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see y'all later.